Today, let's learn Korean alphabets.
What letter is this? Correct, this is gabanga, a bag. Please follow me. Ka?
Ha!
Correct! Great job! Next letter is? Can you guess the word? What letter is this? This is na. Nabi is a butterfly. Can you say this letter? Follow me, na. Follow me, na. Great. Great job. Next letter is? Can you guess the word? What letter is this? This is da. Da, 다람쥐. Next letter coming soon.
라.
자, 다 같이 따라해 보세요. 와, 정말 잘했어요. 라면.
Next letter coming soon. What letter is this? This is ma. This is matcha, a carriage.
This and ma.
This is ba.
아.
Ha.
Great job, everyone. You learned pa.
Yay!
Ready for the next letter?
Ooh, what's that? This is sa.
Great job, everyone. You learned sa.
Yeah!
Next is
Ooh.
아. 자, 다 같이 아. 정말 잘했어요. 모두 박수. 자, 다음 글자를 볼까요? 다음 시간에 더 배워봐요.
자.
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 This is cha. Follow me, cha. 차! 차! 안녕하세요, 친구들.
와, 반짝반짝 뛰어. 우와, 멋져.
맞아요. 다 함께 배워봐요.
This is ka. Follow me. Ka. Great. Ka.
The lesson is over, but the magic continues. Ready for a hint? See you next time. This is ta. Follow me.
타.
타. 다음 시간에는 어떤 글자를 배울까요? 다음 글자를 기대하세요. This is pa. Follow me. 하. 하. This is how. Follow me, ha.
Canada lama basa aya chakata paha.
Can you read Korean? Canada mabasa.
가. 나. 다. 라. 마. 바. 사. 사. 아. 아. 자. 차. 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 카. 타. 타. 타.
Pa. Ha. Ha.